Okay, we've come to the final chapter in this section, chapter 15, that deals with regression. And here again, we're going to do everything on the computer. We're not going to do anything by hand. So I know that should make you happy. And I'm going to go back and use that femur data set again. So I brought the data in and I use the read dot table and I look at the names, and of course they are femur and humerus. And this time I'm going to do something a little different. I created something called a linear model. So I use LM, and I'm saying that humerus, and this is the tilde, is a function of femur. So your y variable is a function of your x variable, and it comes from the data frame femur.df. Okay? And then I use summary. We've used summary before, but that's on a different kind of object. When you use summary on a linear model, you get all kind of good stuff. But what we're most interested in are the coefficients. So here's the y-intercept, and here's the slope. Yay. And then here's your r squared. And those are the things that we're really looking for at the moment. And I'm pointing that out. So your slope is your 1.1960. Your intercept is your negative 3.65959. And your r squared is 0.9833. So r squared runs from 0 to 1. The closer to 1 it is, the better. Don't worry about the adjusted r squared at the moment. It's always going to be a little less than the multiple r squared. Okay? So, if I want to do a prediction, you can either just plug into your formula or you can use R. So what you're going to do is create a little baby data frame. You're going to say new assigns data frame, and I said let's say that the femur is equal to 60, and I use the predict command, and I say predict using femur.lm comma new. That's your new data frame, and that's your new value, the 68.15442. Okay, so if the femur length was 60, then I would expect the humerus to be 68.15. Okay, now, very cool. At the end, what if I want to plot my scatter plot and I want to have the regression line on it? So this is very nice. You plot your scatter plot the same way you always do, but then you use a second command after the fact. It's called AB line. AB line going back from the old days when you used algebra and you learned a plus bx. And you just put in femur.lm and it gets your coefficients and actually plots the line for you. Pretty cool. Thanks.